Have you ever noticed those tiny icons next to the website names in your browser tabs? Those are called favicons. And they can make your blog or website look more professional and easily recognizable. But how do you add a favicon to your blog or blog? And what even is a favicon? Don't worry, my friends. In this video, we're going to cover everything you need to know about favicons and how to add one to your blog or blog. First things first, let's talk about what a favicon is. A favicon is a small icon that appears next to your website's name in browser tabs and bookmarks. It's usually a square-shaped image, and it can be anything from your blog's logo to a simple graphic. The standard dimensions for a favicon are 16 by 16 pixels or 32 by 32 pixels. So, it's a pretty small canvas to work with. Now, let's move on to generating a favicon for free. Then we will add it in our blog or blog. There are plenty of tools available online that can help you create a favicon. I will generate favicon using HSuperTools. Go to HSuperTools. These are free tools provided by mjacad. You can use them. These are free SEO and digital marketing tools. This is the URL of HSuperTools. Sign up using your Google account, it's super easy. I already have accounts, so we'll log in. These are some free SEO and digital marketing tools. Go to Web Tools and click on Favicon Generator. This is pop-up ad, cut it. I have logo of my blog, I will upload it and it will generate favicon from logo. Make sure keep check on first so it can generate favicon of multiple dimensions so you can use on any system. Now click on Choose File to upload your logo. Once logo is uploaded, click on Generate Favicon button, it will generate favicon from our logo. Now we will go to Download folder to check favicon it generated. It is in compressed form, we'll extract it here. Open the extracted folder. These all are favicons it generated from our logo. They are of different dimensions. We will use this 16 into 16 pixels favicon in Blogger blog. That's it, now you have a custom favicon for your blog. Now, it's time to add the favicon to your Blogger blog. First, log into your Blogger account. Then in Blogger dashboard, navigate to the settings section. Next, click on the favicon button next to the Google Analytics measurement ID. A new tab will be open. Click on Choose File. Finally, upload your favicon 16 into 16 pixels. And hit Save. That's it, you have successfully added your custom favicon. To check, click on View Blog. It is taking time because my internet is slow. That's it, it's updated. And just like that, your Blogger blog now has a custom favicon. See, adding a favicon to your blog is easy peasy. So, what are you waiting for? Go ahead and create your own custom favicon today. Thank you for watching, and be sure to subscribe to our channel for more blogging tips and tutorials. Take care and keep hustling, one day you will surely be proud of yourself.
It's not a game, it's a rich thing.